Hello everybody, today is a beautiful day, and today we make the recipe, the calendar, in July. And we got everything nice and fresh, everything tomato, we got everything over here. Now, we need bread. I got 2 slices of bread, it's only for me and my wife. We got the tomato, cucumber, this is from my garden, the cucumber. And we got mozzarella. We got a green olives, basil. This is my basil. I got a lot. This is my oil baby for my garden. We got red onion, and we need oil and garlic for the bread. In the mix, we got black pepper, salt, oil, and vinegar. Now, for start, I want to start right away with the bread. Before we start this, I want to say, well, let's put the bread inside after I told something about tomorrow. Cin cin e salute to everybody. Today we make panzanella. All right, now we got over here the oil with the garlic. And what I do, I got a brush over here. And I want to brush really good. I got the garlic with the bread. It tastes really, really good. And I got the oven on already. Okay. You see, this is kind of people. I want to say something. When I was 11 years old, I was to go to work. And I was work. I know I was do something wrong. But today, everybody want to do something to make some, I want to say, want to make money on top of the people. Go work. Do your business. Go work. No sit like a jackass. Okay, we put this in the oven. Okay. And now we got to start to chop everything. Okay, now I want to do the dry stuff first. And we do the onion. Everybody hear the microphone? It's okay? Please, because the last time somebody saying I was here. You let me know, please, so you hear my microphone.
Yeah, they can hear you good.
Yeah? Thank you very much. Thank you. Now we got that pepper, but I know you all got this, it's really, really hot.
It smells hot. Thank you for letting us know that you're hearing good.
And the pepper, done. Okay, now we got the olive. And I want to cut this in half.
Thank you for making the recipe.
Okay, and we got the olives. Okay, now we got the mozzarella. Okay, now the cucumber. A cut and a half, another half. Okay. Okay, now what I got over here, I got the tomato. And the tomato, a cut and a half, another half like this. We do 4 pieces.
Linguine with crabs. Hey, sounds delicious.
Okay, now with the tomato.
This is perfect when it's so hot, like today it's very, very hot.
Now, the basil. I like to put the basil cut with a finger like this. I was washed already, okay? But this basil, it's my basil. I'm not spraying not on the garden.
Yeah, we're making some own bread too, yes.
Okay, now
It's a big salad.
do not mix it too hard. Okay, you got the tomato, you don't want to squeeze everything, okay? All right, now let me wash my hand a little bit. Okay, now we got a little salt. We got a black pepper. Now a little vinegar.
Thank you, Jason.
The vinegar, it tastes good for this, for panzanella. And we got oil. And on the side, we got chicken, a barbecue. Look how beautiful. All right. Okay, let's taste. Okay, the bread, that's nice, crispy. Mozzarella. And the chicken. Nice cook. Okay.
Okay, Joanne.
Salute e cincin everybody. Happy 4th of July. And thank you so much for your support. And thank you for the star. Cin cin, salute for everybody. Cin cin.